I did some analysis when they came to workshops, and turns out that some of the smaller kids are afraid. For them, it's scary what is happening there. It is scary for the following reason. Like none of the known worlds no longer are true. So, let's say we all know this perfect world. There's this countryside home. There's this tabletop computer in the countryside home, and the child is gaming from this tabletop computer in this countryside home. By tabletop, I mean this static computer. Right? So what is happening in the workshops is somebody, me, is entering the room with 10 laptops, and it's distributed the 10 laptops. These are pretty powerful laptops actually, and they aren't gaming from the laptops actually. They are learning about how these games are made, how these are developed. So, and on the big screen on the classroom board, it is shown the current theme of the lesson. I consider it like a really cool idea that the theme varies and it's rotating and stuff. But the smaller kids are a little bit afraid, and I totally get that. So I need to be more friendly, more talking, maybe more kind. And to the smaller kids, because none of the worlds is now true anymore. There isn't this perfect countryside home with perfect static computer that the one child uses for gaming. Like we all know that the ideal world, but in this game development workshop is like so small suddenly. There's like 10 laptops, 10 developers who are all kids, and the theme varies. So I need to focus on the people, not so much on the machines.